Welcome to Curwen Hall, or formerly known as Workington Hall, one of Cumbria's most historic ruins. This Grade 1 listed site is in the heart of Workington, and it's witnessed medieval warfare, royal visitors, and centuries of English history. The whole story begins in the 14th century, when a peel tower was built around 1362 to defend against border reivers' raids. In 1380, the Curwen family was granted a license to crelinate, meaning they could fortify their home. By 1404, the fortified manor house we now call Workington Hall was completed. In May 1568, after a defeat at the Battle of Langside, Mary, Queen of Scots, fled Scotland and landed in Cumbria. She sought refuge at Workington Hall, where she spent her first night on English soil. From here, she wrote a letter to Queen Elizabeth I, and after that led to the beginning of a fateful time in England. After a few short days, she was arrested and escorted to Carlisle Castle, and on to her years of imprisonment, leading to her execution in 1587. For centuries, the hall was home to the powerful Curwen family, John Christian Curwen, who inherited the estate in the late 18th century. He transformed the grounds with the help from landscape designer Thomas White. The estate reflected both medieval strength and Georgian elegance. Sadly, the glory of Curwen Hall didn't last. The family left in the early 20th century, and during World War II, the building was requisitioned. A devastating fire left it in ruins, and today only the fragments of the once grand hall remains. Today, Workington Hall stands as a dramatic ruin surrounded by parklands. Visitors can explore the grounds, admire the medieval architecture, and imagine the lives that played out here, from knights and nobles to a fugitive queen. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the history of Workington, Curwen Hall. If you love exploring English castles, medieval ruins and Cumbrian history, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Until the next time, keep hovering and keep discovering.